Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and for today's video we'll be talking about a miraculous plant. And guess what's that? Yes, it's aloe vera. So aloe vera is it's literally a miraculous plant. It has multiple benefits. It acts as a very good primer, it's a very good moisturizer, it helps in lengthening of your eyelashes, it helps in thickening of your eyebrows and many much more. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all few packs in which you can inculcate aloe vera. So without further ado, let's get into the video. The first one is aloe vera and sweet almond oil. Let me stress again, sweet almond oil. The reason why I'm saying sweet almond oil again is because the normal Dabur or the other Bajaj almond oil that you get those almond drops that you get, that will not work. You need sweet almond oil because sweet almond oil has lightening properties and it is a very good moisturizer. So aloe vera and sweet almond oil combined together, this acts as a perfect night cream. Next day when you wake up, you have this soft and supple skin. So to make this pack, you need aloe vera gel. Mix it with equal amounts of almond oil, sweet almond oil. Whisk it and then go ahead and directly apply it to your face before you go to sleep. So definitely do try this because you'll definitely see overnight results. Now moving on to the second one. Now this is something which is very close to my heart because I have like ugly feet. They are just like this and my toes are all zigzag, and also the skin on my feet, they very dry and flaky. So this foot cream has worked for me. It has taken me a fortnight, however it has worked for me. So if it has worked for me, it's definitely going to work for 90% of the people. So to make this pack, all you need is... So what you need to do is that you need to take 2 teaspoons of aloe vera gel in a bowl, add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, few drops of rose water oil, squeeze in half a lemon, mix all this well and apply it onto your feet. Once you do that, go ahead and wear socks and go off to sleep. Now moving on to the third one. Now this is pretty much similar to the second one, however just a few changes and just a few additions rather into the second one, and then you make yourself a very nice natural deodorant. Now people who follow me on Instagram would know that I go for morning runs, and people who don't, please do follow me on Instagram. So I do go for morning runs, and I don't like to smell sweaty. I don't like that bad odor. So what I used to do is that I used to apply body roll-ons before I go for a run. However, I noticed that it led to a little darkening of my underarms, because of which I stopped using that. Then I ordered a natural deodorant. Now I'll link down I'll provide the links for all the deodorant and the sweet almond oil that I use. I'll provide the links below. So I ordered a natural deodorant. However, that I found that a little expensive. It did work, but I found it a little expensive. So I thought of making myself a natural deodorant at home, and I could use it at least when I'm going for run. And this has lasted me. The scent has lasted me almost 2 hours. After I come back, I don't smell sweaty or anything. It has a nice scent. So to make this pack, you need natural deodorant. You need to take in 3 to 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Then add in another 3 teaspoons of coconut oil. The coconut oil that I'm using here is an extra virgin coconut oil. So coconut oil has moisturizing properties which is very good for your underarms. And after that, so you need to add squeeze in half a lemon. Lemon in itself has antibacterial properties, so squeeze in half a lemon
add in half a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda is really good for the bacteria which is responsible for bad odor in your sweat. And then add in essential oil, few drops of essential oil of your choice. Once you add all this, whisk this, store it in a glass container, and keep it in the refrigerator.
Now the fourth one is a tan removal pack. Now I'm currently in Kerala, so and we currently roaming around. And in Kerala, as you all know, there are a lot of beaches. So I've been hopping from beach to beach to beach to beach. So because of which my skin has also got tan. Now this like whenever I come to Kerala, usually most of the times I do get tanned. Or whenever we go to beachy places, anyways you get tan. So what I do is that it's not like those even tan, when if it is an even tan, it looks good also, it looks very nice. But it's like those uneven tans where certain places you're tanned and certain places you're not, and it's not that good. So, or the quality of the skin does not look that good post that tan. So this I've been using in the past. I've almost used it most, like since I've come to know about this, I've used only this for tan removal, and it has worked wonders for my tan. It takes a longer time, but it does work fantastically. So to make this,
So you need to take aloe vera gel along with tomato juice. Aloe vera has moisturizing properties and tomato has anti-tan removing properties. So does lemon. So squeeze in lemon into this and mix this mixture and pour it into an ice tray and rub the ice onto your face.
one is for your Zulfi. So it's a hair pack. Now this has, again, just like I mentioned about sweet almond oil, there's something that I need to mention in this pack also. It's not just castor oil, it has to be Jamaican black castor oil. Let me repeat it again, it has to be Jamaican black castor oil. I'm saying this is because I also use that local medical shop castor oil that you get, and it does not do anything. It just makes your hair sticky and just sticky. It does not do anything. In fact, like whenever they suggest you, like you should use castor oil for hair fall and hair thickening, they need to mention it's Jamaican black castor oil, because the normal oil does not work the way Jamaican castor oil works. So in this pack, it's when I said castor oil, I'm using Jamaican castor oil, and then there's coconut. I personally feel coconut is best for your hair. It's like the best oil. I've tried almond, I've tried olive, I've tried mustard oil, in fact, but nothing works. According to me, this is my personal opinion. Nothing works as much as coconut oil. So that is something which I swear by for my hair. So let's quickly jump into the recipe.
So now this depends upon the portions depend upon your hair length. So I have taken in like 5 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. I've added 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, then added 1.5 teaspoon of castor oil. Now this was when my hair was long. So yeah, so that those are the portions, and then take a cotton ball and apply this to the roots of your hair.
Guys, that was it for this video. I hope you all liked it, and if you all did, please like the video. Also, in case you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends so that we can keep on spreading the benefits of aloe vera further. So that was it, and also do comment below this video on which one was your favorite, and if you do use aloe vera, and also to comment below on the topics that you would like me to make videos upon. Until next time we meet, tata.